Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and we're trying something a little different today for a background. I wanted to bring my trucks back and show them to you guys in the display case for the background, but I don't have any good place to display this display case except on top of an entertainment center, and it's way too high to see for a video. It's almost way too high to see standing on the ground. To get a good look, you have to stand on like a little stool or something to see all of them. So I brought these down and put them on my kids' little table today so we can take a look at these and unbox the newest auto hauler set. It would be the third auto hauler set with a Dodge truck in it, and all of them so far have been Power Wagons. So it's the third auto hauler set and the third Power Wagon. The one set did come with an adventurer slammed on the ground, but the tow vehicle was a Power Wagon. That was this guy right here, and he was pulling that guy right there. So we have pretty much every single M2 release to date, except for this guy that we're unboxing in a moment, the 4th of July Coca-Cola one that we have and will be unboxing sometime over the next couple of weeks, and the SRT, the gray one. I have that on the way, though. The only one that I have not acquired yet that's not on the way, I haven't even bought it yet, is the Club Edition. Now, I'm not sure on that one because it looks like a chase vehicle. And honestly, I found a couple of these adventurers or Power Wagons in chase variant, and I've sold them because I don't really dig the gold. I want them to look more realistic. So that's why I'm a little bit hesitant to buy the Little Red Express Club Edition, but I may someday, who knows. Well, anyways, we have this set to unbox for you guys today, and then we got some eye candy in the background. We're going to bring this out a couple more times, probably over the next couple of weeks, as a backdrop and really give you an in-depth look at them, so that you can see each and every model. And then we're going to be unboxing another Ram Charger here pretty soon. So you're going to get a good look at the Ram Charger collection we have, which is not as extensive as this truck collection, but it's still nice. It's, I don't know, I think there's about 12 pieces altogether. And, yeah, it's pretty cool. I finally found the Terminator hitch and tow set, so that's what we're going to be unboxing here in a week or so. So, anyways, taking a look at this guy. This is the first release of their auto hauler set for Dodge that has Coca-Cola on it. And honestly, I wish they would have never done that, especially on this yellow. It's like a taxi cab yellow, and they have the Coca-Cola livery on it. It just doesn't fit, in my opinion. And anyways, I wish it didn't have it at all. So what I'm going to be doing is taking some nail polish remover and removing that Coca-Cola from the door like I've done on several others. Some Coca-Cola trucks I leave alone, as you can see down there. It just depends and such, but this one, it just doesn't look right, so the Coca-Cola's got to go. And luckily, I was just looking, they didn't put anything on the tailgate. I think it's just enjoy Coca-Cola on the door, which it should be easy to get rid of. So anyways, taking a look at the box, you have Coca-Cola here on the front of the box. Your end caps are open, so you can see the back door of the trailer, which says Coke adds life to everything. And then on the box, it's Coca-Cola, and it also has that adds life to everything. And sorry, it's a little bit blurry there, wasn't focused, so this ends better. You can see the front of the truck. So this is a 1974 Power Wagon W200, and it has a 1971 Plymouth Cuda, but it's modified. It's tubbed, and it looks like it's got a blower and injection setup on it. And what's cool about this set though, it has this Coca-Cola trailer, or it has the clear trailer sides, but they messed it up about Coca-Cola on it. I would have never done that on the clear glass, but they did. In my opinion, it destroyed it. But anyways, there are a lot of Coca-Cola collectors out there, so they're gonna love it. I don't, because it's yellow for one, and myself personally, I would rather just see pretty much stock vehicles. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Take another look at the back. It says pretty much the same thing. Coca-Cola and Coke adds life to everything. Nice. Forgot the word nice on those other ones. So as you can see, I peeled back the round sticker. Nothing tore. It kept the paper good and did not damage it whatsoever. So we're going to slide him out and take a look at him. So this side looks good. I bought one set and I actually turned it into that Pro Street pickup. You guys can't really see it. It's up here above the green one. And this was a tow vehicle and it was a 4x4. It was this guy right here. And I put a slam chassis on it and made the Pro Street look, removed the hood and everything like that. But when I opened it, on this side, it had a big flaw in the paint. As you can see, something got in the paint or on the paint when they dipped it or whatever. But it wasn't too bad, so it's okay. I mean, especially I just use it for a custom. So anyways, this guy luckily has no issues with the paint, as I can see here on the sides and the top and stuff. So let's go ahead and take the display case cover off. I really like what they've done with their cases probably about 3 or 4 years ago, where they started making them really easy to pop off. They used to be almost impossible to get off without breaking one of these tabs off or cracking the end or something. But now they pull out really nicely. Usually you just squeeze the side and pull up, and one end to pop off, and then the other end just comes right off too. So today we're going to take the truck off, and we're not really going to do anything with the Cuda. But anyways, we'll take a close-up look at it, of course. So let me zoom in a little bit here to help us out. Okay, so as you can see, it has the Coca-Cola on the door, and they ruined the billboards by putting adds life to everything nice. That really screwed it up, so there is no fixing this car unless you remove the billboards and have a straight solid taxi cab yellow Cuda. I don't think it's going to look that great, and then you're going to have to deal with the marker light back there and try not to harm it. You're probably going to have to remove it and repaint it. So yeah, this is best left with the Coca-Cola livery on it and the clear acrylic. I don't know how to remove it without harming it, honestly. Maybe one of those Expo erasable markers maybe would do the trick. I don't know how bad it will scuff it up. I know nail polish remover and stuff will discolor like clear windows and diecast, so I'm assuming it's going to do the same to this. So basically your Cuda and trailer are going to be stuck with the livery, so that almost makes up my mind. I will be getting rid of the Cuda and the trailer. I've already done that with the other two sets. The first set was awesome because it had that green Power Wagon towing a slammed SRT adventurer. So that was a great combo because you got both trucks to keep, and the trailer I still have too, but I'll eventually sell it because their trailers, especially the trailer jack area, is way too big. As you can see, that handle and that jack is just a little bit overkill. This one's actually not that bad, though. They've actually improved, I will say. That one may be a little bit more true to scale than others. But yeah, some of the other ones have big handles and big bases on the part on the bottom instead of having a caster. So yeah, it just doesn't look right. But this one's okay. Actually, this trailer does not look bad at all with the trailer jack area. And the other thing that they have an issue with is the fenders. They did not place them right. They made them flush with the sides of the trailer, so it's an obstruction for the car to pull up on the trailer. So that's another downside of the trailers, that even the open trailers. So as you can see, this is a really cool truck because I like what they did with the wheels. They used the same color on the body on the rim and then painted the centers black to kind of correspond with this dark yellow and black stripes and stuff. Looks really, really good actually. And the hood's already popped up a little. Let's see if we can get it open. And that's one thing that kills me with these. Just they did it with this one and they did it with the purple one too. It says SRT on it. It's got Hellcat everything and it's still got like a 360 inside. There's no Hellcat engine, nothing like that. It's still got the 1974 360 or 440, whatever would have been in it. All it has is the Hellcat badging like some guys do with V6 Chargers and such. They'll take the Hellcat emblems, SRT stuff, and put all over their car, and it's got a V6 in it. This is actually a little better. At least it's a V8. So that's the one thing I was hoping that they improved on. I don't know who lets these get out of like the final approval to make the run and stuff. They don't take notice of that. I don't know. So anyways, they're better off to make them with sealed hoods so they don't have to worry about the engines. But yeah, that's really bad with the Hellcat stuff all over it, and it's got the stock 1974 carbureted engine in it. So anyways, guys, that's it pretty much. As you can see, it looks fantastic. It's another one to add with like your SEMA truck. Goes really good with him. And then the other one from the other hitch and tow. Or not hitch and tow, but the other auto haulers. Green Lights hitch and tow, not M2. So there, you got a family of 4x4 SRTs, and all of them have the stock 360 in them. None of them have the SRT Hellcat engine. So, and then the purple one and the yellow ones have hitches. The SEMA one does not. But still, they look really cool together. Let me see here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can see the clouds of my kid's play table as I was trying to cover it up with the white paper. Thank you for letting me borrow your table, Ethan. So, anyways, guys, that's it for today. For our hump day, help you get over the hump with some 4x4s. And we'll be back again on Friday for Free It Friday. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, if it's going to be Mopar or something else. I'll probably try to mix it up and do something besides Mopar on Friday. So make sure you turn on your notification bell so you'll know when we launch that video on Friday. So enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Hopefully you can get over the hump.